Good morning. Welcome to Pete's Garage. Happy New Year! We made it to 2021. Yay. So, it's a new year in Pete's Garage and nothing's really changed, right? Still got the Suburban project. It's going. Still got the OBS. It's running great, but it needs a couple of things. Jeep's still doing fine. Don't need to do anything on that. Yeah, everything's good. But first... oh my God, let's clean. One of the things that I need to take care of on the pickup truck today is making the oil pressure sender work. I had to change the oil pressure sender on the engine, but that was for the computer. There's another oil pressure sender that is for the gauge on the dashboard. On the 89, the oil pressure gauge had 3 outputs and one of them drove the gauge on the dash, but on the 88 it had a separate sender. I'm going to pull the plug, I'm going to add a little extension, and I bought a brand new sender since that one's gross and this one isn't. If you look down there, you can see a wire floating by itself, and that's the oil pressure sender. So we're going to crawl underneath, make that work, and go from there. Now, there we go, oil pressure. Today is day 2 of the 3-day New Year's weekend. So today, I believe for the morning, I am going to go junkyarding. All right, so every single OBS truck, 88 to 91, not a single interior part left on any of them. They take the dashes out whole and there's nothing, not even a little bit. It's all gone. So, screw it. We're going to go pay the rent and then go home and work on the Suburban. All right. It is Sunday, day 3 of the New Year's weekend. I may have promised that I was going to work on the Suburban this weekend. Ha! I just got distracted again. Since we're going to start wheeling again, I need to get my tow rig ready. And since the Suburban isn't going to be ready for at least another month or 2, I need to make sure the truck is in good nick. So I just need to finalize the stereo. Everything else works great. The transmission works well, the engine is running great, the windows go up and down, the stereo works, the regular speakers are good. I just need to get the subwoofer going and then it'll thump. I've already verified that the tow wiring works and the tow lights work and the Jeep tows fine behind the truck. The brakes work well. I've disabled the ABS because the module was failing, and everything is good. So, on to it.